Next, Java OOPS. Here, try to understand the terminology. Project. What is project? What is Java project? What is Java project? What is Java project? A group of
package.
A group of similar packages. Packages may have sub packages. Depends on the size of the project. Next, package. Package means a group of
Similar classes.
Similar classes. Next, class. Java class. Class is a template or blueprint that defines what an objects and data fields, what an objects, data fields and methods will be. See, it is a blueprint. It is a blueprint. It is a blueprint or template. It is a blueprint or template that defines what an objects, data fields means variables and methods will be. Next, object. What is object? Instance of a class. Say, sorry. We can create many instances of a class. Okay, a Java class uses variables to define data fields and methods to define actions. Okay. Next, method. What is method?
A group of statements.
Set or group. Set of statements to perform an action.
Certain operation.
Okay. To perform certain action. Okay. Next, here, variables. Say we use arguments in methods. They also data fields now. We use data types also for data fields. String username, comma, suppose login method, string username, comma, string password, arguments. Variables. What is variable?
For storing the data.
Variables to define data fields. Okay, for storing or holding temporary data within a program. These are the units up to this one, programming units. Next, observe, I will provide one small case study about this one. Suppose class, next object, method. Next, arguments. Data fields. Suppose car. Car is a class. I am using general examples. Car is a class, Akila. Car is a class. Suppose here, Maruti car is there. Suppose it is object. In car, we have other types of car. You can create other types, other models also. Maruti, Mahindra, Benz, Mercedes, Benz, etc. Other types also. Object. What are the applicable methods on car object? What are the applicable methods on car objects? Car object?
Steering, brake.
Steering is a device of that one, a property of that one.
Acceleration.
Okay. Accelerator is there. Brake is there, na? Braking.
Yes.
Braking.
Yes.
Not brake. Applying the brake is method. Applying the brake is method. Suppose accelerating. Accelerating is method. Okay. Suppose for some methods, no arguments. For some methods, you may have arguments. Suppose you are using some this one, hand brake or leg brake like instruments. Okay. Leg brake or hand brake like, or both. Suppose man is object. Man is object. Suppose man is object. Suppose Indian, African, Canadian, object. Man is class. Man is generic, class. We have different types of mans in the world. Different types of breeds. Asian, Indian, Chinese, African, Canadian, etc. Suppose Indian. Method. Suppose speaking. Okay. For speaking, Akila, language required, na?
Yes, sir.
Language is argument. Suppose int x, int num. Same. String language. Language is argument. Suppose Telugu. Telugu is parameter or variable. Getting this point? We provide values for arguments while calling the method, na? Saurav, suppose I created one method, add method. We have two arguments. Arguments int num1 comma int num2. Functionality is adding. While calling that method, suppose add of 100 comma 200. 100 comma 200. That is data, na? Num1 comma num2. Num1 comma num2. Arguments. Suppose suppose dog. For example, dog general object. Dog is class. Here breed of dog object. Next method. Barking, jumping, walking, etc. are the methods. Suppose man object. Man, Indian, walking. Walking is method, action. Suppose argument. Suppose person is an old person. Walking with stick. Stick is argument, na? Stick
Yes,
is
sir, but-
argument. Suppose 4 feet long bamboo stick. That is value. Now observe, Akila. Can you differentiate these terms, Akila? Class, object, method, argument. Any problem, Akila?
No, sir.
Next. One more thing is there, that is a constructor that we will discuss later. These are the fundamentals. Next, four principles of OOPS, object oriented programming system. Four principles are first one inheritance. Second one, Saurav, tell me, you know Java programming na? What are
polymorphism.
the polymorphism? Next,
Abstraction.
Next,
Encapsulation.
good. Encapsulation. See, four principles of